everyone, welcome back to class. So now we are doing the right things to wear. This chapter we are doing. So we have deal with the chapter types of fiber. I have told you that there is two types of fiber. One is natural fiber and one is synthetic fiber. And about natural fiber we have discussed in last class that what is the natural fiber? The fiber that we get from the nature. And from nature where we get from which thing? From plant fiber one is and another one is animal fiber. So this thing we have discussed in last class. Plant fiber, that cotton plant, we get cotton, and with that cotton we use a cotton dress or anything we can make. Or jute plant is there, we are obtaining jute, and with that jute material or sack we are using, that bora we are seeing, this thing we are using. Next we have learned about the plant fiber. Animal fiber. Plant fiber we have learned animal. Animal fiber means silk, that from where we get the silk. Silkworm is there and cocoon is there, and that we are getting a silk from that. And we use different type of silk material. And another thing, that wool from sheep we are obtaining wool, and this wool is used for making the woolen dress. So students, today we will know about a synthetic fiber. So this synthetic fiber, it is a man-made fiber. This one is not natural thing, this is a man-made. We only prepare this, man prepare this fiber. So it is a man-made fiber. What is that? Synthetic fiber is a man-made fiber, means it is made in the factory. This fiber is made in the factory, and the example of synthetic fiber are nylon, acrylic and polyester. What are the example of synthetic fiber? Nylon, acrylic and polyester. These all are synthetic fiber. Okay, these fibers are made where? In the factory. Okay student, these fibers are made in the factory, and these are synthetic fiber. And you have seen that one activity today, I will do it, one activity, that see, this is a synthetic cloth. Okay, what is this? This is a synthetic cloth, and this I am wearing, holding this one, this is a cotton cloth. Okay, so what you will do, you will take this synthetic cloth and this piece of cotton cloth, and you will soak in water. Okay, you will soak in water the synthetic cloth, and this cotton cloth also you will soak in water. Okay student, then what you will see, that this I have soaked this cloth in water. Now it is wet here, and this also I have soaked in water. And after that you will put outside where sun is there for dry. And after a few minutes or half an hour, what you will see, that this will dry fast and it will take more time to dry. Synthetic will dry fast and cotton will take more time. Okay, this one you can do the activity outside. In your home you can do it. Okay, today also you can do this activity. Take two pieces of cloth, one is synthetic and one is cotton, and you soak in the water. After that you put on sun, and you will see that cotton it will take time and synthetic will dry fast. Okay, so synthetic fiber, it is made in the factory. We man made it is fiber. So example of synthetic fiber I have told you, what? Nylon, acrylic and polyester. These are the example of synthetic fiber. And this synthetic fiber, what you have seen, that synthetic fiber, this is the synthetic fiber I have told you. This is what synthetic fiber, it is more stronger than cotton fiber. It is more stronger. You have seen that if you have two dress, of one dress, synthetic dress and one cotton dress, when it will become old, cotton dress will turn, and synthetic it will remain as it is. Why? Because it is very stronger. Synthetic fiber is a very stronger than natural fiber. It is stronger than natural fiber. Why? Because it is a man-made. We are making in the factory using different types of things, and we are making it, and that thing we are naturally we are getting from the plant or animal. So synthetic fiber is one thing you are seeing here. It is a stronger. What is this? This is stronger. Okay, synthetic fiber are more stronger than a cotton fiber. They do not soak much water. Synthetic fiber do not soak much water, and this cotton fiber will soak much water. It will not soak much water, it will soak much water. Understood? And they will dry easily. It will dry easily, and for ironing it need little water. When you will iron it, you will need little water and it will iron, and cotton you need more water for ironing. Little water ironing. Which fiber? Synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber, one merit, this is all the merit, and demerit also you are knowing that some demerit is also there in synthetic fiber. What demerit? That it catch fire very easily. You will take one synthetic, if you will wear synthetic fiber, you will go to the kitchen. If it will catch fire, then it is impossible for you to alive, no? If cotton is there, if it will catch fire, you can take out that and you will be all right, or it can be cured also. So synthetic fiber catch fire easily, okay, and it is the stronger be warm than working in the kitchen. It is a, what is a, hence we should not use this synthetic fiber in our kitchen. So what you have learned about the synthetic fiber? That these fibers are man-made fiber. We make the synthetic fiber where? In the kitchen. In the factory, where we make the synthetic fiber? In the factory, and it is made by a man. Okay, and natural fiber we get from plant and animal, and this synthetic fiber is more stronger than natural fiber. It is a more stronger than natural fiber. Synthetic fiber examples are nylon, crayon and polyester. Example are nylon, crayon and polyester. These all are synthetic fiber. Clear it is? Now what you have seen that it soak little water, need little water for ironing. Synthetic fiber need little water for ironing. And one demerit is also there. It catch fire easily. Which fiber? Synthetic fiber catch fire easily. So in kitchen it is, so we are not using synthetic fiber when we are working in the kitchen. Which fiber we will use? On that time we will use cotton fiber. It is safe for us. Okay, understood? So one thing more to you all, whatever diagram it is given, I will not tell you daily in each class that you draw the diagram. Whatever diagram is there, you will draw each and every diagram in your copy. Okay, and after watching the video, you write the points and write about it in your copy. So today what you have learned? Today you have learned about synthetic fiber. What you have learned? You have learned about synthetic fiber. That what you got from this, that the synthetic fiber are man-made fiber. We are making this fiber where? In factory we are making. Example of synthetic fiber, nylon, crayon and polyester. And this synthetic fiber are more stronger than natural fiber. It dry fast than natural fiber. Okay, and it soak little water for ironing. Which fiber? Synthetic fiber. And it is dangerous for us to wear in kitchen. Why? Because it catch fire easily. synthetic fiber catch fire easily. Okay, so it is clear you about the synthetic fiber. And one example also I have done today, one experiment activity. So two pieces of cloth I have taken, one synthetic and one cotton, and soaked them in a bucket of water. One bucket of water I have taken and I have soaked that water, this cloth, in a bucket of water. Hang them to dry. I will put them outside for dry. Then what I will observe, that which one dry faster. That one you have to observe which one dry faster. Understood what you are doing in this activity? In this activity you will see that which fiber dry faster. Which fiber will dry faster? Synthetic fiber. Yes. So today you will take one full bucket of water, one you take a piece of synthetic cloth and one cotton cloth, and I have done like that only you will do, and you will hang outside and you will do this activity and you will write this activity in your copy, and what you observe that also you will write, that you have observed that which synthetic fiber dry faster, which fiber dry faster, that one you have to write. Okay. So today this much only. Next class again I will continue with other topic. Okay, bye bye to everyone.